We begin this morning with some news on the storm watch. You are looking live, I-80 Kingvale. Some snow along the side of the road, on the road. Looks like the streets, the highway, the roads very wet, slick, chain controls in effect in Kingvale and the surrounding area. All right, let's take it over to ABC 10's Monica Coleman, who tells us Kingvale residents weren't necessarily ready for this.
Snow in May. Many drivers not ready for it here in Kingvale, so they're stopping here at the Shell station trying to get help from strangers to put those chains on their tires while also putting gas in their cars and just getting some much needed rest. In the morning night, Dallas Raynor from Roseville struggled to put rusty chains on his tires after being caught off guard by the constant snowfall.
I thought there was going to be a lapse in the snow around 4, so I tried to get up here so I can make it to work by 9, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to put these chains on or not. They're kind of rusty.
Raynor says he barely comes up to see her and was surprised to see the snow in the month of May after spending the day with Mom Sunday for Mother's Day. Raynor says he luckily has a car packed with resources if he has to resort to Plan B and wait out the snowstorm.
Yeah, I mean, I got some Mother's Day leftovers, and then if worst comes to worst, I'll climb up in this thing, and that'll keep me warm.
As the sun rises and the snow continues, Scott and Ann from Minnesota say they watched the news before heading out and knew the snow may cause them problems.
I got the chains because they said we were going to need them. I didn't know if I believed them, but I do now. So they're not going to let me go without them.
Feeling prepared with brand new chains in hand, but not sure how to install them, Scott says he stopped at the Shell station in hopes of help from a friendly stranger.
Well, I got to put them on. But somehow, somebody will help me if I don't know. And I see they're putting some on over there. I might go over and see how they're doing them.
So if you do plan to come up I-80, I give you one piece of advice that I've heard from these drivers who have stopped here throughout the morning. Take it slow, be prepared, and make sure you know the snow is coming down here in Kingvale.